All right, assalamualaikum everyone, and KAS has met the the technical target today. And I also want to tell you that the month of November, if you want to enter for our private, where I do give some trade calls as well, so some people are interested in that, is opened up today for the next 9 to 10 days. So do make sure you join. Because some time ago I made an update and I told you that I'm looking for that technical target, and this was back in 17 of October. Today we're sitting at maybe 21. So 4 days ago I did say that was this positive. You took KAS trade. We actually were in a KAS trade, and it seems likely it shall fly to 0.049 and we sell it off there. Okay, so this was 4 days ago, and so I'm just trying to see this. Okay, so back at 12th of October, I said that on average KAS takes 8 days to go up to overbought level. So 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. So today, the date today is actually 21. Okay, so yeah, took 9 days there, but pretty close. And we actually entered KAS near 0.042172. So pretty much this was a plan, and the plan played out pretty much perfectly. Now, at this point of time, the question is, what do we do from here? We're actually going to open up the RSI, and it seems like it's time for the RSI to kind of get this regular bearish divergence. The prices are moving high, the RSI is pretty flat, so that's not a good sign. Okay, number two, the highest you can go is up to this resistance, and that's going to be 0.051. No more than that. I don't see any more than that, because by the time you end up coming up here, you are probably going to have an overbought level. Another thing is that you also have to keep in mind that there's a resistance here. By the way, the 0.049 technical target came out of this little bit of a pattern where you broke and you went to the target. So I'm actually going to bring this trend line up here, and I'm going to place it right there. So you may look at this as your resistance and that as your resistance as well. And if you break above, you still have that resistance. And in the next 2 hours, which is here, you are looking to close these two candles. So let's talk about it. Now, if you end up closing this next candle, which is the bearish candle, red candle here, and you combine these two, that's a reversal candle to start to drop to the downside. So I may say, if you're in a good profit, just take it out. And if you need some future trades as well, do make sure that you join the private. The private is opened up for you, and you still have time to join. It's super cheap, and it's a monthly by monthly subscription, by the way. And now let's go back into some of the patterns here, and I want to go to the regular chart pattern. And in the regular, I want to show you that this is your first resistance, second one right there, and you are moving to the upside just over here. Probably touch it and actually go to the downside. And that's it for this KAS update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.